everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a wireless CarPlay adapter. And so these things are great. So if you have CarPlay in your car already, but you don't have a wireless, you plug this into your car, and then you can either plug it in through a USB or there's a USB-C adapter. And then you'll just connect up to the Wi-Fi of this thing instead of connecting up to like Wi-Fi in your car. So yeah, you'll connect up to Wi-Fi in this, and then every time you get in your car, it'll just be on whether you're plugged in or not. So this thing is great. So if you need a AirPlay, this will work with CarPlay or on the iPhone, and it'll work with the Android version of it as well. I can't remember what that's called. Is it just CarPlay or AirPlay or something like that? A wireless car for iOS and Android, 2025 black. And it can do both. It can do iPhone, or it can do this one here is dark gray, model JC009. And that's kind of some of the information of it if you need it. And that's the box. So very cool. It's a great little device. Thumbs up if you need one of these. This will come in handy for sure.